Get out there, Jimmy. Nice. Oh my God! What happened there? I hit RB and nothing happened. When I hit it again, it was way too late. That was definitely a lag influence pick.
I'll take it.
Yeah, no, definitely. It's a huge play. Okay.
Get over on that. Come on. Oh, come
Doug.
on.
All right, Doug.
Where's my linebacker?
Let's go! Gaucho!
Ah, there it is. Wow.
Let's go.
Oh, blitz me, daddy. Blitz me, daddy.
Oh. Okay. Guy's 90 speed against that little rump roast.
He's 94. He's no slouch.
You still shouldn't blow by him.
There you go.
Hey.
All right.
Dude, where are you? What are you doing?
Yes.
No, it's coming too. It's just.
Go through it, huh? I nailed it. Whoa!
What the fuck was
What
that?
the hell was that?
No, fucking throw it high. I'm literally arcing the ball up and he still throws a dart. Okay. Oh, come on.
Wow! Holy shit,
No
I did not
fucking
know
way.
about that one. Oh, come on, man! That's 2 in 1 drive!
It still doesn't matter.
Oh, almost got him again!
Get the fuck off me. First tackle broken all game. Yeah, you'll catch him. Jesus. Only took 3.5 quarters. Let's go.
There you go. There you go.
the fuck are you doing at home?
Clear. Clear. Set.
Dude! Do my playbook. I can't find certain plays quick enough.
Igloo.
Dude! This is fucked up. My icons didn't pop up and I'm getting sacked by your DT. Okay. At home, 3 false starts on the final possession. Like, there's no explanation for that.
Well, hey, good game as always. Very good, very close game.
Oh, I let you off the hook, Ben, but good game. Oh, I hate that. Really wanted to tie it and go into overtime.
Yeah, I was worried about it. For
I
sure. You
was
had me sweating
feeling
bricks.